children, this is your English teacher. So, how are you all? I hope all are enjoyed your holidays. So, after many holidays, we meet today again. So, I would like to teach you a English lesson. Before that, here I am showing you some pictures. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, very good. This is a cake and these are the balloons and this is a birthday cap and this is a gift box. Yes. So generally we all enjoy the birthdays. Everyone like to enjoy the birthdays. Everyone like to celebrate the birthdays. Everyone like to go or like to attend our friends or relatives birthdays. That is why today I would like to explain the birthday lesson. This is our lesson, my birthday. So generally on our birthdays, what we'll do? We wear new clothes and we will distribute chocolates or sweets to our friends, and our friends wish us happy birthday and they'll sing a song also. And in the evening, we'll cut the cake and we'll invite all the friends and relatives and enjoy the birthday party. So, I think all you like this lesson a lot. Now, here is our English textbook and the first lesson is my birthday. Now, I will read the lesson. If you have the book, you can follow it. My name is Jai. Yesterday was my birthday. It was the 10th of March. So in this lesson, whose birthday is here? Yes, Jai. His name is Jai. Jai is a boy. Yesterday was his birthday. What was the day yesterday? 10th of March. My mother baked a nice chocolate and cream birthday cake for me. Yes, as our mothers, Jai's mother also made a chocolate birthday cake. It was like a merry-go-round. The cake was in round shape. There were 5 candles on it. We know that on birthday cake, we lit the candles. All my classmates came for the party. Just now I said no. Jai also invited their friends for the party. Many balloons and paper ribbons made the room pretty. So on his birthday, they decorated their room with the ribbons and balloons. That's why the rooms looks very pretty. Pretty means beautiful. I wore my blue jeans and red boots. Jai wore the blue jeans and red boots. I get many gifts. Jai get many gifts regarding his birthday. My little sister liked the teddy bear. Among the gifts, he got one teddy bear. So, Jai's sister liked the teddy bear. I let her play with it. So, Jai given the teddy bear to her. We all ate pizzas, popcorns, chips and cake also. So, what they ate on birthday? Pizzas, popcorn, chips and cake. My mom and dad gave me a chocolate. Mom and dad. So, as our parents, Jai's parents also gifted him a train. So, he likes that very much. So, this is our birthday. So, children, we completed our lesson now. Now, we have a small exercise. I think you all like matchings because matchings are very easy. One of the easiest exercise. Now, we have 2 columns. In one column, can you read the words? Birth, pop, teddy, chocolate and class. And in the second column, cake, beer, day, mates and corn. Now we have to match the two columns. Can you help me in matchings? Yes, good. Birth. Which is the matching word? Very good. Day. Birthday. Next. Pop. What is the matching word for pop? Very good. Corn. Popcorn. Let us match this. And next word is teddy. Yes, exactly. Teddy bear. Let us match this. And chocolate. Chocolate cake. Very good. This is the flavor of a cake. Chocolate cake. Next. Class. Which is a matching word? Very good. Mates. Classmates. Classmates means, yes, our friends. Our friends are called as our classmates. So this is the matching. So children, here we have one more exercise. So exercise number 2, reading comprehension. See, in this book, reading comprehension, the same I have written on the board. So here we have some sentences. Whether these are right or wrong, we don't know. So we have to choose whether it is yes or no. Okay. Now I am reading the sentence. You follow me. First one. On 10th of March, Jai had his birthday party. Isn't it? Can you understand? On 10th of March, Jai had his birthday party. So when was the Jai birthday party? Yes, very good. 10th of March. So this is yes or no? Yes, yes. This sentence is correct. Yes. And the second one is, Jai's birthday cake was made of chocolate and cream. So Jai's mother made a cake, no? So that cake was made of chocolate and cream. Is it correct? Yes, very good. Is it correct? It is yes. Like that, in exercise 2, we have 3 more sentences. So you can read the sentences and you can choose it yes or no. Can you do it? Very good. And next we have one more exercise here. Tick the correct star. See here in the book, they all had dash to eat. Here they given us 3 options. A. Lollipops. B. Cake. C. Biscuits. Actually the question is, they all had dash to eat. So on Jai's birthday, the friends and relatives of Jai had some eatable food. What are they? A. Lollipops. B. Cake. And C. Biscuits. What is the correct star here? Yes. B. Cake. So now the answer is cake. We have to write the answer in the blank and we can tick in the star also. And the second one, Jai wore his new dash. What Jai wore on his birthday? The options are A. Blue jeans. B. Red shirt. C. Blue cap. Can you tell me what is the correct answer? Yes, blue jeans. Jai wore blue jeans on his birthday. Now we have to write the answer blue jeans in the blank. And next one, Jai's mom and dad gave him a dash. So on his birthday, Jay's mom and dad gave him a gift now. What is that? Now here we have options. A. Bus. B. Teddy bear. C. Train. Teddy bear also a gift which he got. But what his parents given? Yes, train. So train is the correct answer. We need to write the train in the blank. So this is the tick the correct star exercise. Okay children, I hope you all understood my lesson. So we'll meet you in the next session. Stay home, stay safe, be happy.